Video's on. Okay, so we're gonna now go to the about remote control serial number right here, flight serial number. Then we're going to camera, and we're going to go to
collaborate.
Goes to control and do gimbal calibration, and we're going to go to manual, and we're going to turn the gimbal down. Goes all the way down, minus 90. The gimbal back up at 0. Then we're going to get out of that and go to the camera, takeoff permitted, and there is the flight status. That should be the end of the requirements for the recording. Thank you.